Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial for you guys, and I will be doing a beautiful set of polygel nails using the Burano glitter polygel kit. So right here I am just gently pushing back the cuticles, and then I am just going to grab a 100-180 grit file and just buff the shine off the surface of the nails. So now remember to dust off the nails just for excess dust. Now apply a nail dehydrator. This removes all the oils from the nails and it allows you to have better adhesion for when you apply your product. After, apply a primer, and this prevents lifting. So remember to apply this primer to all the nails as well. I'm just showing you guys an easy, simple prep that you can do at home that will allow your nails to last way longer and prevent them from lifting. Now you just apply a base coat to all the nails and cure it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And all the products that I'm using are from the Burano polygel kit, except for the things that you see me pop up on the screen. Those are from Amazon, which everything will be linked down below just in case you guys are interested in purchasing. So here I'm just going to be using the full cover nails that came with the polygel kit, and remember, if they don't fit, you can always file them to your size. So here I'm just going to begin to buff out the nails for a more plush, natural look when I apply them onto the nail plate. And by the way, I did forget this step. I don't always do every single step because I am not perfect and I do forget certain steps sometimes when I am filming, but I did remember to include this in this tutorial. Now I will be using slip solution that came in this kit, and it works perfectly with the polygels. So here I am just using polygels 3, 4, and 6. I will begin with number 3, and then here I am just showing you the process. I am just applying little by little all the colors and aligning them together, and then after I will grab a manicure stick, swirl it around to my liking to create a beautiful marble effect. And even if you guys left it just like this, it would look so beautiful either way. So it's all up to you what you desire. Now I will be going in with my nail file and I will begin to shape and file the nails. And remember, if you want a nice coffin shape, you just file straight down both of the side walls of the nail and at a 45-degree angle. It does come with practice. To this day, I still have a lot of practicing to do with my filing. Sometimes they come out nice, sometimes they don't. But yeah, that's just how you get a nice coffin look. And by the way, guys, thank you so much for all the love and support that I receive down below in the comments or on my social media platforms. It means the absolute world to me. Thank you for all the love and support once again. I'm really grateful for it, and I just can't wait to see what the future holds for this channel. And thank you guys once again. Now I'm just applying some top coat on the nails, and I am applying my rhinestones along with my glitter foil flakes. Top coat is a great alternative if you don't have any rhinestone glue. It works really great. So if you don't have rhinestone glue, you can always use top coat to adhere anything onto the nails. Now I'm just gonna go in with some cuticle oil and we're all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.